Today we will making mouth-watering spicy Ragda Chaat in a simple and quick way. Chaat is something we all love and Ragda Chaat has its own unique and delicious flavor. It's not just easy to make but also incredibly tasty. So let's get started. Here I have taken 250 grams of dried white peas and soaked them overnight after washing them thoroughly 3 to 4 times with water. Soaking for at least 7 to 8 hours is essential for them to soften properly when boiled. Now we will add about 1.5 glass of water to soak the peas. Adjust the water quantity based on amount of peas you are using. Next we will add salt to taste, half tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon oil to prevent the water from overflowing while pressure cooking. Close the pressure cooker lid and cook on a medium flame for 4 to 5 whistles until the peas are soft but not overcooked. Once done, you will see that the peas have boiled perfectly and are nice and soft. Now let's assemble the Ragda Chaat. First take a plate and add boiled potatoes. If you want, you can boil the potatoes along with the peas, but boiling them separately ensure they don't become too mushy. Potatoes are optional, so you can skip them if you prefer. Pour the boiled white peas over the potatoes. Add tamarind water as per your taste preference for a tangy kick. Sprinkle finely chopped onions over it. Now adjust the spice level by adding chili flakes based on your preference. Add half a tablespoon of crushed coriander seeds for extra flavor. Now for the special Ragda Chaat masala, sprinkle some roasted coriander and cumin powder. This step is a must. It gives a chaat a bold, flavorful and street-style taste. Finally, garnish generously with finely chopped fresh coriander leaves for the perfect finish. And there you have it, a spicy, tangy and absolutely irresistible Ragda Chaat that will make your mouth water just by looking at it. Try this simple yet delicious recipe for your Ramadan iftar and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes.